Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today I'm going to share one of the positive news with you with respect to IT industry, and that too especially for the freshers. So if you are a fresher and you're watching this video, then definitely at the end of the video you will be having some positive update, and not only for freshers but it is for the experienced ones as well. So currently what we have seen is we have got a positive news with respect to IT industry. So let me share that detail with you, and before that let me share a product with you, which is with respect to managerial situational based interview questions and answers that you can expect in the software testing interviews. One round would be definitely behavioral round, managerial round, which you can avail. So in this digital product, you can get 25% of discount, and you can avail this product today itself at 25% of discount, and you will get 60 plus questions and answers which are mostly been asked in the companies. And it is very important you should not get blank during this manager round, because then if you're not able to answer those manager related questions, the questions which are asked by the managers, then you won't be able to get shortlisted, or you won't be able to get selected in those companies as well. So a very important digital product, and that too at a very nominal cost. Now let me share the positive news with you. So till 2020, or even after pandemic, we have seen the companies did not go for campus recruitment. We have seen the companies haven't went for any kind of placements in the colleges, and which is why we are seeing the students of 2022 passed out, even of 2023 passed out, they have been looking for jobs. Now the positive update that has come up is, and this is actually one of the news that has come up in the Economic Times as well. And I'll be sharing the link with you in the comment section of the video. So the firms like IBM, Infosys, TCS, and LTI Mindtree, they have started visiting campuses for the initial phase of placements. So now in the month of July, in the month of August, they had this announcement, and now recently they have started going for the placements in the colleges. So if you have been passed out from the college, please ask your college or take some updates from the management or from the placement office in your college that does your college have any kind of placements going on, because now they will be starting the off campus drive. So this is an official update that has come. Even Wipro company, after a break from the campus recruitment, they are also going to return for the campus hiring, and they will be hiring nearly 10,000 to 12,000 freshers in this financial year itself. And they also are telling that they will be they are also looking for the off campus hiring to onboard the same number for the next year. So now this is a very good news that in the current year also they will be going for the off campus placements, in the next year also they will be going for the off campus placements. And this is not just from the Wipro company, but other big shots as well, they have also come up with this official announcement. But there is a change in the recruitment process. Now, what would be that change? So that change is that earlier the companies were looking for 60% of criteria, like they were looking for 60% percentage marks in 10th, 12th, and in colleges. But now they will be looking for 70%. So the cutoff rate, or you can say the cutoff percentage to sit for the placement season, has risen to 70% from 60% last year, which is why now the companies would be looking for a very cream kind of candidates, those who know, the students who are aware about programming. If you're looking for software testing, if you're looking for software development, then you should be aware about programming things, because if you are unable to explain those kind of things in an interview in these companies which are coming for placement, don't don't think that you will be getting shortlisted. Don't think that they have come to the college and then they'll select you. It's not going to be like that. The placement process would be a bit stringent. The interview process would be a bit strict compared to the what was happening in the earlier years, because you can see the cutoff criteria. The percentage has changed from 60% to 70%, which is what the companies would be expecting for more kind of caliber from the students, from the freshers. And apart from this, the update is they are going to hire, they are going to do the hiring beyond traditional hiring practices. So traditional things, what used to happen is they used to have some analytical skill set, logical rounds, and all those things. Those would continue. But apart from that, they will also visit your social media profiles. When I say social media profiles, it doesn't mean your Instagram profile, it means your LinkedIn profile. So you have to keep your LinkedIn profile updated. You have to post some proper technical articles, content on LinkedIn. You have to keep your LinkedIn updated. You have to update your pic on the LinkedIn profile. Many times we see that the people or the students, they are having pics or the profile pics with a very kind of a fancy clothes or with a kind of a very stylish looks. So the profile pic on LinkedIn should be professional itself, right? It should have a professional background. So you have to keep your LinkedIn profile updated, and you should list down all the skills that you are keeping there, right? So this is very important. And especially people, especially the recruitment team who is coming from the companies, the people from the companies who are going to come, they are going to visit the social media profiles just to ensure that the students are not faking during the placement rounds, right? So this was the positive update that I wanted to share with you, as it has been a lot, many times that I have got some messages from the freshers that we are not getting shortlisted, we are not being hired. So this is a common thing that I'm hearing from the freshers. But now we have got the positive news from the companies, and they are very big companies like LTI Mindtree, TCS. We saw about Infosys, Wipro. These companies are going to come to the colleges for your placement sessions, and they will be hiring in a bulk. They will be going for a mass hiring. So make sure that you are eligible for those particular criterias, and you have a conversation with your placement heads or your placement officers or your placement teams. Ensure that you are aligned to them, you are on the same page to them. It should not happen that when the companies are coming, you are not knowing about it and then you miss that opportunity, right? So please ensure that you know about all the whereabouts about this placement things that are happening in your college, and you keep your resume as well as your LinkedIn profile updated, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to purchase the digital product on the managerial based software testing interview questions and answers, which is available online today with the 25% of discount, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this, and stay tuned for more updates.